gave her a cubicle right in front of me.
If I recall, you didn't start off in the basement?
But who you looking at? Look at me, though. See? Recognize who you with. I got skills.
Oh, and she doesn't.
Right? You see, Jamie Fancy has a very good point right there.
Oh, wait. I see what's going on. I see what y'all doing. You know, women things. See, y'all bonded and all that other kind of stuff. All the estrogen in the air. I see what's cracking. Can me and you as men go and talk, Uncle Junior? Mandingo style? Mandingo style?
Junior, you better think twice before you cross 1 foot from behind this counter.
Jimmy. Catch you later.
Jimmy.
The whole place looking like Bed Bath and Beyond. It smells like strawberries up in here. Oh, well, no, Jay, see, that's honeysuckle melon. That's what? Honeysuckle melon. I got it for you. So you on the bandwagon, too.
Hit a nigga though.